Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to walk through the complete setup of a Certificate Authority on Windows Server, from installing the role, configuring web enrollment, and finally signing a CSR using our own internal CA. Before we begin, make sure you are using a Windows Server machine. I recommend to use 2022 Windows Server. So let's begin by adding the role CA. Then click on Start menu, open your Server Manager. It takes a few minutes to start your server manager. Then click on tools and you can see that there is no CA role has been added yet. Then click on add and role features. Then click on next. Then click on next. Next. Here we need to add one more option, Active Directory Certificate Services, and the another one is Web Server IIS. Add feature. Then click on next. Again, no need to change anything. Next. Again, next. Here one more feature we need to add, Certificate Authority Web Enrollment. Add feature. Next. Again next. Again next. Then click on install. So it takes a few minutes to install the CA and the web server IIS roles. So once both roles are installed, we will proceed to configure our ADDS in our Windows machine. So then close this file and click on the flag icon and click on the configure Active Directory Certificate Services. So no need to change the administrator. Select both of the options, Certificate Authority and Certificate Authority Web Enrollment. Then click on next. Keep continue with this subordinate CA. Next. Click on next. Again next. No need to change anything, just keep continuing. Here you can give any name to your CA. I'm just simply typing root -CA. After giving the name, then click on next. Here you can also change the validity of your certificate. Then next, and then click on configure. So it takes a few minutes to configure your CA on your Windows Server machine. So please wait until the process is complete. Now the process is complete. Close this file and then click on the tools and open your Certificate Authority. First maximize the screen, and under the root CA there are few options like revoke certificate, issue certificate, pending and failed request. Minimize it and again click on tools, open web server IIS server. Maximize it and double click on the server name in the left hand side. Double click on it and then click on server certificates. Here you can see that our CA certificate. So click on sites, then default website, then click on binding in the right side and then click on add. Then change the type HTTP to HTTPS and in this SSL certificate select our root CA certificate and then click OK and then close this file. So now we are importing our web enrollment on our web interface of our CA certificate. So then open your browser and in the URL just type https :/ you can mention your server IP. I'm typing my Windows server IP 192.168.1.14/CRTSRV. Then hit enter. Then click on advanced and continue to this IP. So this is our CA web enrollment interface where we sign our CSR using internal CA. So then click on request a certificate. So there are two certificate types like web browser certificate and email protection certificate. Then click on web browser certificate. You can mention the following details like name, email, company, department, like all you need to fill out that, and after then You can click on submit and you will get your CSR. Then go back and then click on email protection certificate. The same you can do with this. Enter the following details and then submit. You will get your CSR. And then go back. After getting your CSR, then click on advanced certificate request. Here you can paste your CSR and then click on submit. Then you will get your certificate signed by your internal CA. Now go back one, again go back and open your web server IIS. Double click on server name and then double click on server certificate. Click on create certificate request. Enter the following detail to create CSR. Now just I'm typing in the common name next gen cyber. In the organization I'm keeping the same. Next gen unit is IT, city New Delhi and state is also Delhi. Countries IN, then click on next. After entering the details, no need to change the cryptographic provider, then change the bit length to 048. Then next, click on three dots to save your file in your desktop. Anywhere you can save this file, then type the file name you want to keep, open it and then click on finish. Now navigate to your desktop and here is it. Open this file in the notepad and copy the content and then go back to your browser where the CA Web Enrollment interface. Then click on request a certificate and then advanced certificate request. Then paste your CSR content in this box. No need to enter any attribute. Then click on submit. Now you can see that your certificate has been received. However, you must wait for an administrator to issue the certificate you requested, and your request ID is 2. So now go back to your CA, open your CA again, and in the pending request, you can see that our request ID is 2, and you can scroll a little bit right. Then you can see countries IN, organization name is NextGen Cyber. Then right click on it, then click on all tasks, then click on issue and then go to the issued certificate inbox, then double click on it and you can see that this certificate is issued to NextGen Cyber, issued by Root CA, and the validity is from 2025 to 2026. Okay, if you need to export this certificate, then click on details, then click on copy to file, then click on next. No need to change any option. Then click on next, then click on browse where you want to keep this file, then click on desktop and enter the name of the file you want to keep, then save, then click on next and click on finish. Now you can see that the export was successful. Now okay, close all the files and then navigate to your desktop. So I'm minimizing all the files and double click on it and then click on install certificate, then click on local machine, next, then click on place all certificate in the flowing store, then click on browse which store you are using. So I'm choosing the personal store, then click on ok, then click on next, again click on finish. Now you can see that import was successful. Click on ok. So in the search bar type IIS, open your web server IIS, first maximize the screen and then in the left hand side double click on the server name. After that click on server certificates. Now you can see that our NextGen server is successfully imported in the server certificates. Then click on sites, default website, and then in the right hand side click on bindings and then click on HTTPS and then click on edit, and in this SSL certificate choose the NextGen cyber certificate, then click ok and close this file and then go back to your browser and in the URL just remove the extra content like cert srv and yes, just keep the https / and your IP. Enter, click on advanced and continue to this. Again click on advanced, click continue this, and you can see that our certificate is successfully imported in website. Then click on this icon and this, and click on certificate icon. Now you can see that the whole detail our SSL certificate, like issued to next gen cyber, organization name, organization unit, issued by root CA, and the validity of our certificate and expiry date. And that's it. You have now successfully set up your own certificate authority, enable the web enrollment interface, and learn how to sign a CSR using your internal CA, all within in your Windows Server environment. If this video helped you a lot, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your team or friends, and subscribe for more hand-on tutorials on servers, security, and IT infrastructure. Got question or stuck anywhere? Drop them in the comment below. I will reply to every question and let me know what topics you want me to cover next. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.